Do you use Microsoft 365 and keep your contacts in Outlook? How about sharing them with the rest of your team and keeping everybody up to date? I am Eve, your virtual consultant, and I will show you how to do it using eWay-CRM online. eWay-CRM is a CRM that sits right inside your Outlook. It allows companies to organize customers and email communications and share them throughout the team. eWay-CRM can automatically save emails, take notes and tasks, track deals, and projects like every other CRM, but the best is that you don't need to leave your Outlook. If you use eWay-CRM Desktop, our add-in for the classic Outlook for Windows, we recommend checking our other video that explains how to set this up. Find the link in this video description. If you use eWay-CRM online, this video is for you. I'm in Outlook Online, but what I'm about to show you is similar in other Outlooks. If you are not sure, check our introduction videos. We've made one for every Outlook. Let me select an email, click eWay-CRM, and go to Contacts. You can also go to app.eway-crm.com and log into eWay-CRM online using your browser. When you are in, go to Contacts and check these two options, Synchronize Contacts and Import Contacts. If you are new and your database is blank, click Import Contacts. If you or somebody else in your team has already imported contacts to eWay-CRM, you want to turn on the sync. I will start with the import. Importing contacts from Outlook 365 to eWay-CRM. If you keep your contacts in Microsoft Outlook, you can import them to eWay-CRM and start sharing them with the rest of your team. You and everybody else will be working with the same data, which helps a lot, especially in keeping your contacts up to date. To move your contacts into eWay-CRM, click Import Contacts and select the folder that contains your data. You can mark your contacts by a category, which is useful if you import them into an existing database. If you add a category that contains your name, you'll be able to easily identify which records were imported by you. You can include multiple categories. Pay special attention to include emails. If you turn it on, eWay-CRM will automatically crawl your mailbox and import all communications sent and received from the contacts you are about to import. If you also work with companies, make sure to check this button. Outlook keeps companies by contacts only as a text. We have a special module in eWay-CRM and will automatically add them there. If you later go to a company, you'll find their all related contacts along with a complete history of communications. I like that a lot. When you are ready, click Import from Microsoft 365 and let the magic happen. Since it can take a while, let me click Continue in the background and do something else in the meantime. You can even step out or turn off your computer. eWay-CRM will send you an email once it's done. Remember, this is a one-time import that moves your contacts from Outlook to eWay-CRM. If you want to keep both databases synchronized, I will show you how to do it. Keep watching. Synchronizing contacts between eWay-CRM and Outlook on Microsoft 365. Turning eWay-CRM into your master database is a great first step. eWay-CRM will become the contact app, and if somebody wants to add a new customer or edit an existing one, they do it in eWay-CRM. eWay-CRM will automatically make the contact available to the rest of your team so you all work with the same data. We also recommend getting our apps for iPhones and Androids. They will make your contacts available on your cell phone. If you still want to keep your contacts in your Outlook, you can activate our synchronization. Let's check it out. eWay-CRM provides two types of synchronization, one-way sync and two-way sync. We highly recommend working only with the one-way sync, which synchronizes data from eWay-CRM into your Outlook. If you change a contact's cell phone, this new number will be automatically synchronized to the Outlooks of all who turned the sync on. If you create a new personal contact in your Outlook, it stays there and never mess your company's CRM. To activate the sync, Click Synchronize Contacts in your eWay-CRM and turn on the toggle. You can select the Outlook folder where you want to put your contacts, and that's pretty much it. As I said, we highly recommend working with the one-way sync only. If you want to turn on the two-way sync, please talk to our support first. Once you are done, click Save. eWay-CRM will automatically import all contacts into your Outlook. If you've selected the very same contact you used for your initial import, eWay-CRM will merge the data. It's easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.